opinion then. Anup Maheshwari of DSP BlackRock Investment Managers is hopeful of a strong domestic flows from retail investors in the year ahead. He also believes that the banks will play an important role in the next leg of the rally on the large street.
Yeah, we're definitely hopeful of strong domestic inflows. I think this conflict between foreign flows and domestic flows could probably remain for a little while. But net, we're very positive that there's a very structural change in domestic flows, both from institutions as well as retail investors. I think it's very clear that other options have been challenging. So it becomes a bit of a circular effect. As the markets do well, there's more flow that tends to follow. So we're hoping we're in that sort of a cycle for now. We've reached a point where a lot of cleaning up in banks has happened. We've actually calculated if next year more or less assumptions are for about a 20% earnings growth. Around 70% of that 20% earnings growth will probably come from about 30% of the stocks, which is about 9 stocks in the Sensex. And most of them are banks just reverting back to normal profitability of 2 years ago. Banks will have to be an integral part of any future rally that comes through, just given their weight. And it's still a long-term good place to be. I mean, there are short-term challenges. We didn't clearly like what they've done in terms of rate cut recently.